Photo fun! Help me take Daisy's picture. Remember the pose. Press enter to take a photo. Excellent! Try the next one. Remember the pose. Press... Wow! Try the next one. Remember the pose. Press... That's right! Try the next one. Remember the pose. Press... Excellent! Try the next one. Remember the pose. Press... Wow! Here's your score! Wow! Incredible score! Help me choose shape river. Help me cross the river by jumping on the shape that is different from the others. Use the arrow keys and press enter to answer. That's right! The heart is the odd shape. Try the next one. Help me cross the river by jumping on the shape that is different from the others. Excellent! The circle is the odd shape. Try the next one. Help me cross the river by jumping on the shape that... Wow! The triangle is the odd shape. Try the next one. Help me cross the river by jumping on the shape that is... That's right! The moon is the odd shape. Try the next one. Help me cross the river by jumping on the shape that... Excellent! The moon is the odd shape. Here's your score! Wow! Incredible score! Help me to use it step by step. Let's begin with step 4, ending sounds.
I spy something that ends with the sound g.
Use the
Sun, eel, pig.
wow!
Pig ends with the sound g.
Step by step. Let's begin with step 1. Quick counting. Count how many triangles appear. Use the arrow. That's right. Try step by step. Let's begin with step 1. Who passed by? Who passed by? Let's find it. Do you know who passed by? Use the arrow. Excellent. Use the... Reading, let's learn all about word sounds. Pick a word to hear its sound.
Ant. A. T. Ant. Ant.
Story time! Story time! Pick a rhyme and it's story time rhyme.
He used his cap to tap the map.
Let's learn all about letter sounds. Press any letter to hear its sound.
A says A, ape. A says A, axe. A says A, ant. B says bee. B says ball. B says bear. C says cold. C says cup. C says cake. D says duck. D says doll. E says elf. E says eel. E says elk. F says fire. F says fish. F says fly. G says ghost. G says goat. G says gift. H says head. H says hippo. H says hat. I says igloo. I says in. I says ice. J says jump. J says jar. J says jam. K says kiss. K says king. K says key. L says lion. L says letter. L says lock. M says monkey. M says music. M says moon. N says nap. N says nose. N says nut. O says ox. O says on. O says over. P says panda. P says plate. P says pie. Q says quiet. Shh. Q says queen. Q says quack. R says rat. R says rocket. R says rabbit. S says snow. S says sun. S says 6. T says tiger. T says 2. T says table. U says under. U says up. V says vase. V says vine. W says worm. W says water. W says wall. X says X-ray. X says ox. X says axe. Y says yo-yo. Y says yak. Y says yard. Z says zoo. Z says zebra. Z says zero.